If you have a home, consult with a lawyer in your state. And like in Mississippi, there's some states that do a transfer on death deed. This will help prevent your property from becoming heirs property, which is a huge problem and a huge reason why people lose property. So to save a lot of money without getting a will, without doing the trust, if you just have one house or two houses, simply do some transfer on death deeds for that property. That means the property belongs to you. When you pass away, you transition, then their property goes to that person that you have listed on the deed. Now, it may throw in a few, bumps, meaning like, hey, if you decide to do something with your property, you may have to get that person who's they call it a remainderman. The person who's the remainderman, who's set to get that property, you might have to get them to sign off on it. So like, hey, I'm finna sell this house. I need you to sign off. That don't mean they own it, but they may have to sign off. It depends on what the closing attorney or closing agent will require. Some might say they might not have to sign off on it. It's up to that person and what the law requires in your state. But if you're not gonna sell this house or try to get a loan on this house anytime soon, do a transfer on death deed. That would avoid having to get a will. That will also avoid having to go through the state. I still recommend getting a will if you do a transfer on death deed, but I'm not your lawyer. Consult with a lawyer in your state about that. But I tell my clients, hey, do a will and do the deed too, just for extra protection. But technically, if you're in a state that does transfer on death deeds, Mississippi just started like 2-3 years ago. That saves you lots of money, lots of time.